Hey there, coin enthusiasts and collectors, welcome back to my channel where we dive into the world of numismatics and uncover the hidden gems of coinage from around the globe. Today we're going to focus on a coin that's often overlooked, but holds a unique place in Philippine history, the 1986 Philippine 25-cent coin. Stick around as we explore its background, significance, and current value. Alright, let's get into it. The 1986 Philippine 25-cent coin is a significant piece of history, and it has a fascinating story behind it. First, let's set the stage. The year 1986 was pivotal for the Philippines. It was the year of the People Power Revolution, which led to the ousting of President Ferdinand Marcos and the return of democracy under President Corazon Aquino. This period marked a dramatic shift in the country's political landscape. Amidst these changes, the Philippine government issued a series of new coins, including the 25-cent piece. The coin was part of a redesign to modernize the currency and reflect the new era of democracy. Let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The 1986 25-cent coin features a distinctive design that sets it apart from earlier issues. On the obverse side of the coin, we see a stylized design featuring the value 10 Pfennig in the year of minting, which in this case is 1976. The design also includes an element of modernity reflective of the era's aesthetic. The coin's edge is smooth, which was a common feature for coins of that time. Turning the coin over, we find the reverse side featuring a representation of an oak branch. The oak is a significant symbol in Germany, representing strength and endurance. This design choice underscores the importance of national symbols in coinage. In terms of mint marks, the 1976 10 Pfennig coin was produced at several mints across West Germany. Each mint mark signifies the location where the coin was produced, but for this particular coin, we mainly focus on the Berlin mint mark. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. In terms of historical value, the 10 Pfennig coin from 1976 is considered quite common among collectors. It was minted in relatively large quantities, and as such, it does not command a high premium over its face value in the current market. For collectors, the value can vary depending on the coin's condition. The 10 Pfennig coin from 1976 is part of a series that was issued by the Federal Republic of Germany. This year is particularly interesting due to the historical context. In 1976, Germany was celebrating its 25th year of post-war economic recovery and stability. The country was flourishing, and the economy was strong. The Federal Republic of Germany, often simply referred to as West Germany at that time, used the Deutsche Mark as its official currency, and the Pfennig was a common part of everyday transactions. Now, let's talk about the design of this coin. The 10 Pfennig coin from 1976 has some distinctive features. The obverse features the numeral 10 prominently, indicating its value. Surrounding the numeral are 2 ears of wheat, symbolizing agriculture and prosperity. The design was created by the artist Ernst Gies. On the reverse side, you'll find the German eagle, which is the national emblem of Germany. The year 1976 is inscribed, marking the year of minting. The coin also features the inscription Bundesrepublik Deutschland, which translates to Federal Republic of Germany. When it comes to collecting coins, condition is everything. Coins in mint or uncirculated condition might fetch a higher price, while those that show signs of wear and tear are generally worth less. Typically, you might see these coins priced anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars, depending on their state and the current demand among collectors. If you're thinking of adding one to your collection, the 10 Pfennig coin from 1976 is a great piece to have, especially if you're interested in the economic history of West Germany. It's a reminder of a different time and a different currency system, bridging the past with the present. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, each coin has a story to tell. The 10 Pfennig from 1976 is a small but significant piece of that story, so keep an eye out for it when you're browsing through coin shops or online marketplaces. That's it for today's deep dive into the 10 Pfennig coin from 1976. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest content. As always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below. I love hearing from you. Here's a quick guide to the grading scale. The coin looks brand new, with no signs of wear or scratches. This is the highest grade and typically the most sought after by collectors. Shows minimal wear, with only slight signs of use. The design elements are still sharp and well defined. The coin shows more noticeable wear, but the design is still distinct and recognizable. The details might be slightly softened. The coin has been in circulation and shows considerable wear. Design elements are still visible but less defined. The coin is heavily worn, with much of the design detail lost. It's still identifiable but not in great condition. The coin is very worn, and details are almost completely gone. It may have significant damage. And there you have it, a detailed look at the 10p Pfennig coin from Germany, minted in 1976. Whether you're a coin collector or just an enthusiast of historical artifacts, this coin represents a unique piece of German history.